Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make salmon with spinach. First, select 2 6-ounce salmon fillets, about 1 inch thick. Pat them dry thoroughly with paper towels. Season both sides generously with a half teaspoon of salt, a 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, and a pinch of garlic powder. This simple seasoning enhances the natural taste of the fish. Now, let's cook that salmon. Heat 1 tablespoon of olive oil in a non-stick skillet over medium-high heat until it shimmers. Carefully place the salmon fillets, skin side down, into the hot pan. Cook for 4 to 5 minutes until the skin is beautifully crispy and golden. Then, flip the fillets and cook for an additional 3 to 4 minutes, or until the salmon flakes easily with a fork. Hey everyone, if you're enjoying this video, please hit that like button and subscribe for more great recipes. And speaking of fresh, after cooking up a storm, sometimes your car needs a little refresh too. Life's too short for a stinky car. Grab Little Tree's black ice. It's a quick recommendation to keep things smelling great. Check the description for the link and other fantastic deals. Now, let's get back to the video. While your salmon rests, add another half tablespoon of olive oil to the same pan. Add 2 cloves of minced garlic and sauté for 30 seconds until fragrant. Then, add 5 ounces of fresh spinach. Cook, stirring occasionally, until the spinach is just wilted, which usually takes about 2 to 3 minutes. Season with a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Plate your delicious salmon over the sautéed spinach.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.